Keeping your kitchen cabinets clean not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your kitchen, but also promotes a healthier cooking environment. Over time, cabinets can accumulate grease, dirt, and grime, making regular cleaning essential. However, choosing the right cleaning products is crucial to preserve the finish and longevity of your cabinets. In this guide, we'll explore the best ways to clean kitchen cabinets and maintain their pristine condition. If you are wondering what to clean kitchen cabinets with, you are in the right place. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over at dmiddleton.com. Today, I'll cover what to clean kitchen cabinets with. You can get your printable daily housekeeping routine and cleaning checklists here. This 15-page printable kit is delivered digitally to your email for you to print and personalize. I will link it below in this video description. It includes a daily schedule, calendar pages, and deep cleaning checklists for every room and area of your home. Now let's look at a few effective products for what to clean kitchen cabinets with. Gentle soap and water. One of the simplest and most effective methods to clean kitchen cabinets is using a mild dish soap and warm water solution. This is generally my chosen solution for dealing with daily grime. I have white painted cabinets, so dirt is easily visible on them. Mix a few drops of soap in a bowl of warm water, dampen a soft cloth, and gently wipe down the cabinet surfaces. This method is suitable for painted or finished cabinets as it removes everyday dirt and grease without causing damage. The kitchen usually becomes a warm and moist environment when we cook, so dirt is easily attracted to kitchen surfaces. Grease from cooking aggravates this issue as well. If you routinely wipe down your cabinets with dish soap and water, you can help prevent the buildup from getting worse. White vinegar. White vinegar is a versatile and natural cleaner that can effectively cut through grease and grime. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and water in a spray bottle, then spray the solution onto cabinet surfaces. Wipe with a clean cloth or sponge, and the acidity of the vinegar will help dissolve stubborn residues. Be sure to rinse with water afterward to remove any lingering vinegar smell. Baking soda paste. For tougher stains or built-up grime, a baking soda paste can work wonders. Mix baking soda with a small amount of water to create a thick paste. Apply the paste to the stained areas, scrub gently with a soft brush or cloth, and then wipe clean. Baking soda is mildly abrasive and helps to lift stains without scratching the cabinet finish. Commercial cabinet cleaners. There are numerous commercial cabinet cleaners available that are specifically formulated to clean and protect different cabinet finishes. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and test the cleaner on a small, inconspicuous area before applying it to the entire surface. These cleaners often contain ingredients that help preserve the wood or finish. Oil soap for wooden cabinets. Murphy's oil soap is a great option. This product has been around for years and works great on wood. Wooden cabinets require special care, and using oil soap is a popular choice. This type of cleaner not only cleans but also nourishes the wood, preventing it from drying out and cracking. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for application and frequency, as using too much oil soap can leave a residue. Microfiber cloths. Regardless of the cleaning solution you choose, using microfiber cloths is advisable. These cloths are gentle on surfaces, trap dirt and bacteria effectively, and leave a streak-free finish. Avoid using abrasive materials like scouring pads, as they can scratch and damage cabinet surfaces. Regular cleaning and maintenance of kitchen cabinets are essential to preserve their appearance and functionality. Whether you opt for natural solutions like vinegar and baking soda or commercial cleaners designed for specific finishes, always test in a small area first. By following these tips, you'll keep your kitchen cabinets looking like new and ensure a clean and inviting cooking space for years to come. What products should never be used to clean kitchen cabinets? While there are various effective ways to clean kitchen cabinets, it's crucial to be aware of products that should never be used, as they can cause damage to the finish, material, or overall appearance. Avoid using the following products on your kitchen cabinets. Abrasive cleaners. Products containing abrasive substances like scouring powders or scouring pads can scratch and damage the cabinet surfaces. These scratches not only compromise the aesthetic appeal, but can also make the surface more prone to collecting dirt and grime. Harsh chemicals. Avoid using harsh chemicals such as bleach, ammonia, or undiluted vinegar. These substances can strip away the finish, discolor the cabinets, and weaken the materials over time. Harsh chemicals may also pose health risks and create an unpleasant or lingering odor in your kitchen. Steel wool or metal brushes. Steel wool or metal brushes are too abrasive for most cabinet surfaces. They can scratch and mar the finish, leaving permanent damage. Opt for softer materials like microfiber cloths or soft sponges to prevent abrasions. Wax or silicone-based cleaners. While it might seem like using wax or silicone-based cleaners adds a shine to your cabinets, they can create a buildup over time, attracting more dust and grime. Additionally, these products may contain ingredients that can harm the cabinet finish and make future refinishing or touch-ups challenging. Excessive water. Cabinets, especially those made of wood, should not be exposed to excessive moisture. Prolonged contact with water can lead to warping, swelling, or damage to the finish. When cleaning, ensure that your cleaning cloth or sponge is only damp, not soaking wet, and always wipe dry after cleaning. Oil-based furniture polishes. This is not the same as Murphy's oil soap, which is fine to use on wooden cabinets. While it might be tempting to use furniture polish on your cabinets for added shine, many oil-based polishes can leave a sticky residue that attracts dust and dirt. Stick to products specifically designed for cabinets or wood surfaces to avoid buildup and maintain a clean appearance. All-purpose cleaners with unknown ingredients. Some all-purpose cleaners may contain undisclosed ingredients that can be harmful to your cabinets. Always check the product label. And if possible, choose cleaners with clear information about their compatibility with your cabinet material. Remember to consult the manufacturer's care and maintenance guidelines for your specific cabinet type, as using the wrong products may void warranties or lead to irreversible damage. When in doubt, it's best to test any new cleaning product in an inconspicuous area before applying it to the entire cabinet surface. I hope you have found this cabinet cleaning information beneficial. Do you need to get more organized? Check out my free organizing printables over at dmiddleton.com. Need to declutter your home? I have a year-long thorough declutter series that is designed to help you slowly declutter your entire home. We declutter 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. By the time you finish the series, you will have decluttered your entire home. What should I get rid of when decluttering? How do you declutter without being overwhelmed? We're going to do it slowly and thoroughly in just 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. I'll link it below. Do you feel overwhelmed by clutter and constant housework? If you do, I have good and bad news for you. The bad news: housework never really ends. The good news: you can declutter and create a quick, streamlined daily cleaning plan and daily housekeeping schedule to help keep everything manageable. Use the declutter checklists linked below to determine where to start. You can even use a camera to stay motivated. To do this, take a before photo each day before you start decluttering. Then, take an after photo when you finish that space. Even if it's just a small dent in the huge project, it can still be very motivating and encouraging. First, let's examine what things cause you the most daily stress. Is it the laundry, the dishes, the finances? Let's address those areas first. To get a better handle on these areas, we're going to create a daily plan of attack. Need help with housekeeping? I have an ebook entitled Makeover Your Homemaking. Just check out the link below. Thanks for watching.